So it is Thursday, September 7th, 2023, and it's actually been quite a while since I drank my Amare Happy Juice. I started drinking it around 9:30 this morning, and I haven't had a chance to do my update until now, and it's now 2 something, so it's been about 5 hours. Once again, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I have just the right amount of energy, and I feel wide awake. And it also makes me feel happier. And I've been noticing over the past few days that my anhedonia, for the most part, is pretty much gone now. Like, I don't mean just my musical anhedonia and my food anhedonia, but like all of my anhedonia overall is starting to completely be eliminated. Now, I'm still working on gaining back my facial expression. As you'll notice if you look through my YouTube videos, that I kind of have like a dull facial expression that I've had for like the past 2.5 years, and that was due to anhedonia. But I know that if I keep drinking the Amare Happy Juice, with time it's going to completely eliminate my anhedonia.